Hidden beneath layers of concrete and water, a forgotten military facility remained sealed for decades. Deep inside, a classified submarine base was left behind and slowly consumed by darkness and silence. Over time, water flooded the structure, covering everything that once operated with precision. When a team of engineers and divers arrived, they had no idea what they were about to discover. Moving carefully through the flooded tunnels, their lights revealed rusted walls, broken systems, and abandoned machinery. Then, in the distance, something massive began to appear. A submarine. Untouched for years. The structure was heavily damaged, covered in rust, algae, and decay. Every part of it showed the effects of time. The team began a full inspection of the entire system. From the outer hull to the internal control rooms, every detail was examined. Water was slowly removed from the facility. Debris and broken materials were cleared out.
Keep at it, we need to clear this rust. This section's really stubborn. Almost got it, the pumps are working.
Layers of rust were scrubbed away from the surface. Inside, damaged panels and wiring systems were carefully cleaned and organized. With the structure now visible, the repair process began. Control panels were restored and brought back to life.
Panels are looking better. How are the cables? Almost done. This will free up some space. Good, let's finish up.
Electrical systems were reconnected piece by piece. The engine room was rebuilt, replacing worn-out components with new functional parts. The outer body was reinforced and repaired to its original strength. Once everything was restored, a new layer of paint was applied. Slowly, the submarine began to look alive again. Lights powered on across the system. The once silent structure was no longer abandoned. After decades of being forgotten, the submarine was finally restored. If you enjoy discovering forgotten war machines, make sure to subscribe to War Relics Achieve for more incredible restorations.